In this video, I'll be making my chili oil recipe that I've been developing for a while by trying different methods and ingredients. All the measurements will be in the description. I start by cutting up some aromatics: ginger, spring onion and garlic. I have also gathered a spice blend consisting of Sichuan pepper, fennel seeds, star anise, bay leaves and coriander seeds. I pour avocado oil into a pot over medium heat. I then place my spices and my aromatics in the oil and bring it to a light simmer. At this point I realized I had been a little stingy with my Sichuan pepper, so I added some more. I now lower the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for 2 hours, which I realized is important to infuse the oil with the proper amount of flavor. The garlic usually starts turning golden brown around the 90-minute mark. Here comes another one of the important changes I've made after trying to make chili oil for the first time. I now use a pretty mild seedless Korean chili powder, also known as Gochugaru. This gives the oil a good heat without overpowering the other ingredients. The first time I made this I used Thai chili powder with seeds and it was almost inedible. I put the chili powder in a heat-proof bowl before adding some Chinese black vinegar and salt. I take the pot with the oil right from the heat of the stove and run it through my strainer over the chili powder. Now I mix this and enjoy the beautiful color. I finally place my oil into a couple of jars, one for me and one for my brother. He wanted more of this versatile condiment after I gave him some of my last batch.